If your Snapchat camera looks way too zoomed in, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to fix it quickly and easily. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Additional Services section and tap on Lens Studio. Here, tap on Tap to Reset and then choose Unpair. This will remove any lens pairing data that might be causing the issue. Next, return to the previous menu and tap on Clear Data, then choose Clear Lenses. Tap Clear All Lenses and confirm your choice. This removes all saved lens filters that may be affecting the camera view. Once that's done, fully close the app, then reopen Snapchat. Your camera should now function normally without the zoom glitch. And there you have it. If this solved your problem, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Still having trouble? Leave a comment and I'll help you out directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.